Hey guys, it's the Gaming Football here, back with another video, and Jeff's here from OMG IT'S Gaming. I'm going to be doing a pack opening. I'll show you the cards I've already got. So let's go.
I got a billboard.
Oh, just got a billboard. Tell me who you get.
I got Perrin.
Oh, we're going to open a Team of the Week pack. I'm sorry I haven't shown you my cards yet, but I've got a Team of the Week pack. Oh.
That's going to be crap.
It is. He's 81 Valencia, but not Antonio Valencia. So yeah. Actually, right. So just now I packed Messi, Neymar, and Hernan Crespo. Who are actually sick.
Hernan.
Ooh. Black screen. Black screen. Oh. Black screen. Black screen. Who will I get?
No fucking way.
Uruguay.
Fuck no way.
No. Striker.
No fucking way. If you do, if you get him,
Barcelona. Oh my God! Suarez!
No, I'm actually no. You're actually an idiot.
Yes! I got Suarez, guys!
The hell?
Yes!
How can you get this guy? What?
I just got Luis Suarez!
I get these bronze players.
Oh my God!
This game's stupid, man.
How did I do that? I packed Neymar.
You've got MSN.
I've got MSN back together. Oh my God. Guys, this is the best pack opening I've had. If I'd been recording this whole thing, this would be the best pack opening ever.
The only pack opening.
I have MSN now. How do you feel, Jeff?
I want to kill myself.
Do you just have no words? How have I done this? Just how?
1, 2, 9. No, it's only
Right. If I pack an icon, if I can pack another icon,
no one will care.
I'll be so happy. Yeah, but you would care if I packed a 98 striker Pele, wouldn't you, Jensen?
34k from this. Oh! Get Team of the Week back.
Can you? Tell me who you get. I'm going to see the next stage and react. I'll react.
Wait, no, right.
I'll react.
No, don't,
Guys, this back opening's too good to watch. So yeah.